Is yeast considered a living organism? Breaking news in the world of fermentation. The question on many minds today is whether yeast is considered a living organism. If you are a beer enthusiast or just curious about fermentation, you are in the right place. Let's unpack this topic and find out what makes yeast so special in brewing. Yes, yeast is indeed considered a living organism. It belongs to the kingdom fungi and is classified as a eukaryotic microorganism. This means that yeast cells have a defined nucleus and other organelles. Yeast is a unicellular fungus that performs essential metabolic processes for life. These processes include growth, reproduction, and fermentation. During fermentation, yeast consumes sugars and converts them into alcohol and carbon dioxide. This biological process is vital for creating alcoholic beverages like beer. The activity of yeast is what gives beer its alcohol content and carbonation. Without yeast, the brewing process would not be possible. In the brewing world, yeast plays a critical role. It metabolizes sugars from malted grains into ethanol, which is the type of alcohol found in beer. This transformation is what creates the alcohol content in your favorite brews. Additionally, yeast contributes to the flavor, aroma, and texture of the final product. Brewers carefully control the conditions under which yeast operates. Factors such as temperature, oxygen availability, and nutrient levels can all influence the brewing outcome. Yeast cells respond to these environmental conditions, which can lead to different flavors and characteristics in the beer. For example, certain yeast strains are chosen for their ability to produce fruity or spicy notes in beer. Others may be selected for their efficiency in converting sugars to alcohol. This selection process is essential for brewers aiming for specific flavor profiles. In summary, yeast is a living, single-celled fungus that is fundamental to beer production. Its metabolic activity in fermentation not only produces alcohol but also shapes the overall experience of enjoying a brew. So, the next time you sip on a cold beer, remember the living organism that made it all possible.